So the Desert Dreaming Centre is a vision that I had to not have to travel out of town to see sites. It's all right in the central part of Barcaldine, and be fully immersed in cultural tourism. That's dance, workshops, cooking, planting trees, so they feel completely a part of our culture. Me being a teacher, I'm continuing teaching, and that's what tourism is. That's what Aboriginal tourism is all about, teaching Australians about their own history. It would be fantastic to start to be able to give back to Mother Earth, and I'm pretty sure Mother Earth would appreciate that.